sticky frosting here. This is my brother's truck, Nick. This is Traxxas Rockstar. It's the fastest out of all of our RCs. It goes about 35 to 40 miles an hour. It is very, very
with a tailwind.
Yes, with a tailwind. Because it doesn't work a lot and it breaks. This is my truck that you have seen on previous videos. This is me, TD's Traxxas Stampede. It has about a $100 motor, and I want to know if anyone that watches this video, has a Orion brushed Revolution modified motor, because I saw that they were discontinued, so I just want to see. This is a Nico Mercedes Benz. It was one of our first trucks, and well, it's slower.
It goes like 10.
It goes about 10 maybe. This is my other one. It's a Nico Toyota Land FJ Cruiser. It is my first truck, and it has a trailer hitch so I can tow trailers and stuff like that.
Next section is boats.
Boats. This is my brother's Nico Island Cruiser. It is big, very big, and we put an old motor from a buggy that went about 35 in it, so it goes really, really fast for its size. This is my little rocket, I'm gonna call it. Has two red propellers that spin, and it has two motors, and sometimes it just steers one way. If the both propellers don't work right. Now this is air.
Miscellaneous.
Air. This is my little helicopter. It's missing a top blade, and
he ran it into a door.
Red light. Well, that's all of ours.
And this is a radio controlled pencil.
See, watch. It